You just created your GitHub account. Now what? Well, it's time to secure and jazz up your profile. Today I'm going to show you how to secure your account and create the secret GitHub Profile Readme. Though it's not really a secret anymore, is it? Hey, I'm Kadesha and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Let's dig into how to secure your GitHub account and give it some personality by creating your profile Readme. The best way to improve the security of your personal account is to configure two-factor authentication or 2FA. Passwords by themselves can be compromised by being guessable, reused on another compromised site, or by social engineering. You can choose one of the following methods to enable 2FA on your GitHub account: an authenticator app, text or SMS authentication, using GitHub Mobile, or a hardware authentication device. Let's walk through configuring 2FA on the web using an authenticator. The first thing you need to do is download an authenticator app. I'll be using Microsoft Authenticator today. In your GitHub account, go to Settings and under Access, select Password and Authentication. Here you'll see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Click this green button here and you'll be routed to the Setup page. Use the authenticator you downloaded to scan the QR code on the screen. Once you scan the QR code, enter the generated code in the highlighted text box and click Continue. The next screen will ask you to download your recovery codes. Click the green download button and save these codes in a secure location, such as a password manager. After you've downloaded and saved your codes, click the I have saved my recovery codes button to confirm your download and complete enabling 2FA on your account. And you did it! You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your GitHub account. Now that your GitHub account is more secure, let's give our GitHub profile a bit more personality with the GitHub Profile Readme. The GitHub Profile Readme is a special file that acts as an About Me page. It's a great way to introduce yourself in a more personal way so others can get to know you a bit better. To create your profile Readme, you must first create a repository that matches your username. Since my username is itsladyker2, I'm going to create a repo called itsladyker2. We'll see a message pop up telling us to make the repo public and initialize it with a README to get going. Let's do just that. Once we click the Create Repository button, we should get a green box telling us that this repo is a special repository. Click on Edit README to start adding some fun stuff using Markdown. You can add images, GIFs, social icons, GitHub stats, and much more to your profile READMEs. I went ahead and created a template that you can copy and modify according to your liking. Navigate to this repository, copy the Markdown code, and paste it into your repo's README. Edit the content to your liking, and once you're done, save the file, go to your profile, and you should see a nicely laid out README that's customized for all to see. For more inspiration on customizing your GitHub profile, check out these examples on GitHub. Your GitHub profile can serve as a living portfolio of your skills, projects, and interests. Now that you have a more secure account and a personalized README, you're ready to make a strong impression on anyone who stumbles upon your profile. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!